Today we are going to discuss about not-for-profit organization. And in this not-for-profit organization, the topic we are going to discuss the preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. This is the part 6 video of this chapter. So in this we will discuss how to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So first we have to discuss about the steps to be followed while preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So in this first steps to be followed while preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. In this first is calculate opening capital fund. Means first of all we have to prepare the opening balance sheet, and by preparing this opening balance sheet we have to calculate opening capital fund from the opening balance sheet. Secondly, determine items of income from receipt and payment account. We have to determine the items of income, means what are the items of income in the receipt and payment account which is given, so that we can show these items of income in income and expenditure account on credit side or on income side. In the same way, determine items of expenses from receipt and payment account. From the receipt and payment account we will identify which items are related to the expense, means revenue nature and capital nature items we have to identify. So these expenses we have to show in income and expenditure account in expenditure side, or you can say debit side. Accounting treatment of items not appearing in the receipt and payment account. The items which are not appeared in the receipt and payment account, which are given in the adjustment, about that also we have to think, we have to identify which is revenue nature and which is capital nature, so that according to the identification we can show in income and expenditure account as well as in balance sheet. And determine surplus or deficit. After doing all these three things, we have to determine the surplus or deficit in the income and expenditure account. If the debit side is more, credit side is less, then there will be deficit. If credit side is more, debit side is less, then there will be surplus in income and expenditure account. And next is preparation of closing balance sheet. After calculating surplus or the deficit, we have to prepare the closing balance sheet at the end of the year. In this closing balance sheet, this surplus will be added in the capital fund on the liability side of the balance sheet, or if deficit is there, we have to deduct that deficit. But sometimes there may be a debit balance of capital fund. So if capital fund debit balance is there, on asset side we have to show the capital fund, and from that surplus we have to deduct and deficit we have to add. So these are some of the steps which we have to follow while preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. After this, see one question, we will discuss about that. इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए, इसमें दिया है फॉलोइंग इज द रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट ऑफ दिल्ली क्लब फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2019. In this receipt and payment account, this receipt side, this payment side, and some additional information are given. In this receipt side, we know on receipt side all receipts are there, whether these are revenue receipt or capital receipt, all type of receipts are shown on receipt side of income and expenditure account. And in the same way, on payment side, all payments are here, whether it is a revenue payment or it is a capital nature payment, all payments are shown here. So from these receipt and payments, we have to identify which is revenue nature receipt and which is capital nature receipt, and in the same way which is revenue nature payment and which is capital nature payment, so that we can show these both revenue and capital in balance sheet as well as in income and expenditure account. So in this, see these items here, balance BD is given. This balance BD means this is the balance of cash or bank in the beginning. So it means this will come in the opening balance sheet. Secondly, entrance fee. Entrance fee, you know, this is a recurring nature item for the NPO, and this is a source of the income of the NPO. So it is revenue nature item and it will come in income and expenditure account. Then subscription is here. Subscription, current year subscription we have to show in income and expenditure account. If there is any advance, that will come in balance sheet. If there is any outstanding, that also will come in balance sheet. It depends on the date. It will come in opening or closing. And workers rent, that is also the revenue nature item, so it also will come in income and expenditure. And subscription for governors party, this subscription depends on the organization of governors party, means when the governors party will have, on that date it depends that it is capital nature or revenue nature, means it will come in balance sheet or it will come in income and expenditure account. About the governors party, here see, the governors party is to be held in April 2019. We are preparing this account on 31st March and this party will be held on 1st April. Means in the next year the party will be held. So if this is in the next year, it means this we have to show in balance sheet, not in income and expenditure account. From the payment side, rent is expenses, so it will come in income and expenditure. This also will come in income and expenditure. Wages also will come in income and expenditure. Billiard tables. Billiard tables is, this is asset for the not-for-profit organization, so it will come in balance sheet. Repair and renewals, income and expenditure accounts item. Interest also income and expenditure account item. Balance CD is the cash and bank balance at the end, means closing balance of cash or bank, so that also will come in balance sheet. So these two items will come from this side in balance sheet, other items will come in income and expenditure account. And from this side, this item will come in balance sheet and this item also will come in balance sheet, 30,000 rupees, which is advance. And this 20,000 rupees, this will come in opening balance sheet, not in the closing balance sheet. And this will come in income and expenditure account. And governors parties subscription also will come in balance sheet. So in this way we have identified the incomes from the recipient payment account, payments from the recipient payment account, as well as the items of balance sheet also, means which will come in income and expenditure account and which will come in balance sheet. अब इसमें देखिए एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन के अंदर, एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है कि स्टेशनरी एक्सपेंसेस ₹31,200, ये बिगनिंग में है, 2018 में है, तो इट विल कम इन ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट। ऐसे ही आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस जो है 31 मार्च 2019 को है 36,400, तो ये कहां आएंगे? क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में। और इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट में क्या आएगा? स्टेशनरी एक्सपेंसेस 3,06,000 प्लस this 36,400 for the current year minus 31,200 for the previous year. In this way we have to show. Subscription unpaid year end for the year ended 31st March 2019. This subscription is outstanding. So this we have to show in the closing balance sheet, as well as we have to add this in this amount, so that current year subscription will come. And subscription outstanding for the governors party also given there, so that we have to show in balance sheet. And club on sports material was this on 1st April 2018. So in opening balance sheet 16 lakh sports material we have to show. In closing balance sheet 13,50,000 we have to show. And stock includes sports material of ₹50,000, which is to be written off being not usable. This is written off being not usable. So we have to write off this 50,000 rupees. So we have to show this in income and expenditure account. And 20 lakh rupees loan is there, 20 lakh rupees loan on 31st March 2018. So it will come in opening as well as in closing balance sheet. Now the income and expenditure account. In income and expenditure account, first from the payment side, rent is given. So we have shown here rent. After this, stationery expenses is given 3,06,000. In these stationery expenses, this 31,200 we have to deduct and 36,400 we have to add. So in this way we have to show this. After deducting this, this is coming. After this, add this. After adding this 3,12,000, this is coming. After this, in this question, wages is given. Wages 5,30,000, 33,000. No additional information is given, as it is we have to show on debit side. Billiards table will not come here. Repairs and renewals, no any information is given. So this also we have to show on debit side. Interest, no additional information is given. That also we have to show on debit side in this way. Two wages, 533. Repair and renewals, 80,600. Interest, 1,50,000. After this, sports material. About the sports material, here it is given. Club had on sports material 16 lakh. So 16 lakh sports material was there. At the end, stock is 13 lakh 50,000. It means 2 lakh 50,000 sports material is consumed. So that we have shown as consumed. And in the same way, sports material written off also was given in the adjustment. So that also we have shown 50,000 rupees sports material written off. Now come on income side. From this side, entrance fee. Entrance fee we have shown this. Then subscription. Subscription here given 2017, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. But in income and expenditure account, which subscription we have to show? The subscription which is related to the current year. And which is current year? This is the current year. This is previous year. So this we have not to show. This was already shown in the previous year's income and expenditure account. This is next year 2019-18. So this also we have not to show here in the income and expenditure account. Only we have to show 16 lakh 90,000. 16 lakh 90,000 in this. From the additional information, take this 86,800 outstanding. Add this. After adding this, this is coming this 17 lakh 76,800. After this, here it is given locals rent 50,000. No any other additional information. So locals rent we have shown. All items we have shown. After that, make the total. This side total is more. In this question, this side total is more. So from this side total, the total of this side deduct, this will come deficit. This will be the deficit. Means excess of expenditure over income. So in this way we can calculate the deficit or the surplus by preparing income and expenditure account. And in the next balance sheet, how to prepare the balance sheet. Means first require here opening balance sheet. For the opening balance sheet, which items we have to show in opening balance sheet? Cash and bank balance on asset side 30,000 we have to show. Then sports material 16 lakh is given, that we have to show. Then loan is given 20 lakh, that on liability side we have to show. Means here in this 30,000 cash and bank we have shown. Then sports material 16 lakh we have shown. Then from here this in this stationery expenses outstanding in the beginning, that we have to show. And 20 lakh rupees loan is given, that we have shown. And then in this, here it was given this 20,000 rupees outstanding which was received, which is received during the current year, 20,000 rupees subscription. So it was outstanding in the beginning. So that also we have to show here. And after this, make the total of this side is more. From this side total, deduct these three items. This will come capital fund. This is the negative balance of capital fund. After this, we have to prepare the opening closing balance sheet. In closing balance sheet also we have to show the cash and bank balance which is given in the receipt and payment account at the end, 2,39,600. तो ये हम यहाँ पे शो करेंगे. उसके बाद जो है स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल में इसमें क्या था, स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल हमारे पास 13,50,000 स्टॉक है एट द एंड, बट आउट ऑफ दिस 50,000 इज रिटर्न ऑफ बीइंग नॉट यूजेबल. तो 50,000 और इसमें से माइनस कर दो और उसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाएगा 13. देन बिलियर्ड टेबल इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 390. So 390 billiard table we have shown. Subscription outstanding given 86,800 that we have shown, and special subscription due 55,000 for the governor's party that we have shown here. And on liability side, stationery expenses which was due, which was outstanding at the end, 36,400 we have shown. And then special subscription received for the governor's party 3,45,000. In this 55,000 outstanding, add this. So 3,45,000 plus 55, 4 lakh it will come. And then loan is given 20 lakh and subscription received in advance is given here 30,000. So that also we have to show here, and in this way this will be the closing balance sheet. So in this way we have to prepare the income and expenditure account and balance sheet, opening balance sheet as well as closing balance sheet. So I think after discussing this question, there may be no problem while solving the questions related to the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Means before solving the question, you have to follow the steps for preparing the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So in today's topic, only this much. Thank you.